Hi friends, welcome to Krishna's Tech Info. In this video we can see how to install and configure Apache load balancing using the Pound on Ubuntu 18.04. Load balancing is the method of distributing the web request that comes from the internet to multiple internal servers. Those servers serves the same contents to the clients. In this video we are going to use the Pound package, which helps to set up the load balancing for the web server. It provides reverse proxy and also supports HTTPS requests. Now we can see how to install and configure the Apache load balancing using the Pound package. In this video I am going to use the three servers. The first server IP is 192.168.1.9, which is the web server 1. You can see the hostname test.webserver1.com, and you need to add the host names of all the servers in the /etc host file. Here you can see the host entries. For all the three servers I have added the host entries. This is the web server 2, which has the IP 192.168.1.10, and here also we have added the host name and added the entries in the /etc host file. This is the server 3, which is used for load balancing. In this server we are going to configure the Pound and do the load balancing for the two servers. The load balancer IP is 192.168.1.8 and the host name is test.loadbalancer.com, and we have added the host entries in the /etc host file. Now we can see how to install and configure the Pound load balancing. You can download the Pound package from the following link. I will provide the download link in the description. Now the Pound package is downloaded. Now we can install the package using the dpackage command. Dpackage -i. Now the package name. Now give enter. Now the Pound installation is completed. Now we can see how to configure the Pound load balancing. Now open the Pound configuration file /etc pound.cfg. In this log level you can increase the log level. You can increase the log level from 0 to 3. By default it is in normal. I'm going to increase the log level to 3 for the Apache style logs. Next you need to specify the log facility. This is used to configure the logs for this Pound local one. Now we can add our front end and back end configuration. In this front end configuration you need to add the listen HTTP and change the address to 0.0.0.0 and port is 80 and give end, and you can disable these configurations. Next we can configure the backend servers service backend and provide the address of the web server 1 and web server 2 192.168.1.9. Next add the another backend server backend address 192.168.1.10 and port 80. Now give end. Now save the file and exit. To start the Pound service at boot you need to add the service to the system boot. So use the following command: sed -i -e yes exponent startup equal to 0 / startup equal to 1 / port space /etc default Pound. Now give enter. Now restart the Pound service systemctl restart Pound. Now the Pound service is restarted. Now we can configure the log for the Pound service /etc rsyslog.d 50.default.conf. In this line you can modify the settings. Now put the semicolon and add local1.none, and in the next line add this Pound.log file local /var log Pound.log. Now save the file and exit. Now restart the Pound service. Now the Pound configuration is done. Now we need to change some Apache settings on the backend web servers to record the logs of the X forwarder. Now run the a2enmod command with remote IP. Give enter. This will enable the module remote IP. and now restart the Apache web service. Now open the Apache configuration file etc apache 2 apache2.conf and go to the configuration of log format. At the last you can see the log format configuration. Now we need to add the remote IP header, x forwarded -for enter remote IP internal proxy space. Now we enter your load balancer IP, which is 192.168.1.8. Now in the log format you need to add %a to log the remote IP, and here in the next line you need to add the %a for the combined log. Now save the file and exit. Now restart the Apache web server. Now the configuration is done in the web server 1. We need to do the same configuration in the web server 2. A2 enmod remote IP. Next restart the Apache web server. Now open the Apache configuration file and do the following changes. Now modify the log format. Now save the file and exit. Restart the Apache web server. Now the configuration is done. Now we can test the load balancer. Now this is the load balancer server 192.168.1.8. Now open the web browser. Here you can enter your IP address or the host name test.loadbalancer.com. Now we can see after loading the test.loadbalancer.com, you can see the request coming from web server 1. When we refresh, it is going to web server 2. Now the load balancer is successfully configured. In this video we saw how to install and configure Apache load balancer using Pound on Ubuntu 18.04. Please post your suggestions in the comment box and subscribe to my channel for more technology videos, and please press the bell button to get instant notifications on my videos. Thank you for watching.